Hi everyone, thank you so much for such an amazing response to the previous videos. Before starting this video, I would like to say if you're new to this channel, go ahead and check out this channel for amazing opportunities, amazing things, and you can consider subscribing this channel for amazing content ahead. So in this video, I'm going to talk about some of the amazing opportunities for internships as well as full time for the batch of 2022, 2021, as well as 2023. So a lot of opportunities have opened for these batches. So let's discuss these opportunities in detail and please watch the complete video so that you can get to know more and more about these opportunities and don't just waste your time applying to the opportunities which are not for you. So let's start with the first opportunity for today. So the first opportunity for today is basically at Yamaha Motors. So Yamaha Motors is hiring for internships basically for 3 months or 6 months, and they're hiring only from NITs, IITs, and triple IITs and BTech CSC IIT background. They want projects to be done in Python, ML, NLP, deep learning. So they'll offer a permanent job after completion. Like there are chances of pre-placement offer as well from Yamaha Motors. So definitely you can go ahead and check out this amazing opportunity. You can drop your resumes to Surinder S at the rate YamahaMotorindia.com and he'll reach out to you. Next company that I'm talking about today is Paytm. So Paytm is hiring currently for 2020 graduates. So if you are passed out in 2020 and you're looking forward to software engineering roles at Paytm and the location is Pune, you can definitely DM this person on LinkedIn. I'll give his the link to this post in the description section below. You can definitely reach out to him. The next opportunity is basically a support engineer at Microsoft. So Microsoft has opened its role for support engineer, and they have recently posted about this opening. The responsibilities that you can see is basically for a support role, and they have written that the language that you need is English. You should be fluent in English, speaking, writing, and listening. The next important thing is like you should have knowledge in Linux, OSS. Like these are some of the requirements that they have for support engineers. Make sure that the requirements for a software engineer and support engineer are different. Profiles are different. CTC is different. But yeah, you can definitely go ahead if you are good at these things, and yeah, everything else you will get as a part of the Microsoft. So you can go ahead and check out for this support engineer role in Microsoft as well. Next company that I'm talking about is Siemens. So Siemens is hiring for 6 months internships from June to December. So as this is virtual setup, so even if your colleges are not aligned, you can definitely check out and apply for these opportunities. If you are good at front end, you have knowledge of JavaScript, HTML, CSS, Angular 7. You can have front end internships at Siemens, back end internships, software engineering internships. Like you should have skills in Python, Ruby, MongoDB, and backend engineering like Python, data structures algorithm, databases, and data engineering, you should have good knowledge of Python, SQL, MongoDB, Spark. So these are some of the skills that are there. Next, you can what how you can apply for the same is you can drop a message below this post, or you can reach out to the person directly, and you can apply for this amazing internship at Siemens. The next opportunity is by Mindtree. So Mindtree is an L&T group company that is hiring off campus for 2021 batch. And you can definitely check out this particular opening, like their CTC job description, everything is there in this JD. You can check out this JD, and registration link is open till 9 a.m. 24th May. So if you haven't already seen, haven't already checked out, go ahead and apply for Mindtree as well. The next opportunity is by Electronic Arts. So Electronic Arts is a very good company. Like it has packages close to any like base salaries close to any fan company. So it is hiring for software engineering internships as well as software engineering full-time roles. You can DM on this to this person particularly for your referrals at Electronic Arts. So people who are in their pre-final year or final year, they can apply for internships as well as full-time roles at Electronic Arts. So this is definitely going to be amazing. The next opportunity is by Freshworks. So Freshworks is hiring for software engineering roles. Currently, the batch of 2021 who will be starting out in 2021. So this is definitely an opportunity for you, like the final year students currently in college and who will graduate by June 2021 are eligible to apply. Freshworks is also a great company. The location will be Chennai, but yeah, students of 2022 can also participate. Like whenever there are openings, they'll reach out to you based upon your profile. And yeah, this is all about Freshworks. So definitely go ahead and participate in this Freshworks as well. Next is the opportunity by Engage. Engage mentorship program is by Microsoft. So this is a program basically in which they work upon one open source project. Like last year, they worked upon Mars colonization project, but might be this year the project might change, and after the completion of the project, direct internship at Microsoft was given to the top performers of Engage program. So you have direct chance of getting an internship at Microsoft through this amazing opportunity. So it is the applications have opened and a lot of people have already applied. Even if you don't get a referral for the same, you can apply it on the career site as soon as possible, as the opening might get lost anytime. Yeah, so the last opportunity for the day is by a company named as Grow. So Grow is hiring for paid analytics interns for 6 months. You should be good at SQL and further knowledge. You can send in your resumes to vikan.singh@grow.in for more and more knowledge and more like getting the test link. Thank you so much. All the best. Good luck. Bye bye. And do like, share, and subscribe this channel for amazing content coming ahead. Thank you so much. All the best. Bye.